Hello, guys, and thanks for joining here for yet another Palo Alto Research Lab call or collective call where we connect brilliant minds, brilliant engineers into a thoughtful community that's going to change the world super soon. So yeah, hosting today's meeting, as always, myself, Ivan and Malika is also helping me out here as well. And yeah, just to remind you guys, we hold such calls every week, every Thursday for now on. And yeah, if you want to receive more info about our upcoming calls, or you want to perform, or just be a part of the community, you can join our links or write us here in our socials, and I'm gonna send Palo Alto invitation form soon. Okay, so for today's call, we have two projects on the line, and they are amazing projects. And yeah, let me show you real quick what they are. So first is going to be Pedram, representing CADAICO project. So he's CEO and co-founder. And also we got Maria from De.cards. So that's another amazing project. And yeah, just to remind you guys about the format of our calls, how we usually do that. So we got, so the speaker has 5 minutes for the presenting their pitch deck. So basically that's quite enough for that. And 10, maybe roughly 12 minutes for the Q&A session. So yeah, we expect to end it, well, maybe in 40 minutes or so. So yeah, I'm gonna also add a timer in the upper right corner so you can mind the timing. And yeah, let's just respect each other and other speaker on the line. So yeah, as always, you can put your questions in the chat box or just raise your hand. And yeah, you'll be heard, absolutely. So yeah, thanks everyone for joining in. First for today is going to be Pedram. So yeah, hi, thanks for joining here, and you can start right now.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. So yeah, my name is Pedram. I'm founder and CEO of CADAICO, and CADAICO was established to revolutionize the design process in computer-aided design, combining AI with blockchain technology. And computer-aided design, also known as CAD, is the software that engineers use to create three-dimensional models of objects, and is used in many industries, from mechanical engineering and electrical component design to medical prototyping, automotive, aerospace, and so on. And in my 16 years of industry experience, I have learned that design in CAD is heavily manual and time-consuming. And there are three reasons for this. First, CAD companies only ever release new features for their own CAD programs, which are not compatible with others. And changing to a maybe better CAD software is very expensive for a company and takes years. Second, the engineering companies often collaborate with software providers to develop specialized plugins for their specific CAD software. But there are many software providers, and there is no clear visibility into which plugins already exist on the market. And third, there is still a lack of use when it comes to innovative technologies like AI for the CAD design. Mostly because these technologies are usually reserved for the big players because of the required resources. Now, we're going to change the whole situation by building the CADAI model. It's a pre-trained AI model that enables developers to create innovative AI plugins for CAD by using our newest AI technology without the trouble of training their own AI model. The CADAI model can be connected to any existing CAD software as a plugin. So engineering companies can stay with their preferred CAD software while taking advantage of the latest AI technology. To create a whole AI ecosystem for CAD, we will integrate the CADAI model in a developer platform. And the CADAI platform will enable developers and software providers to create new AI-based apps for CAD and publish them on the platform's marketplace, where all these features and plugins can be distributed to the customers. And there's even more. Due to my background of mechanical engineering, I see a real potential in the industry for automating non-creative design tasks and supporting engineers during the entire design process. Therefore, based on the CADAI model, we are already developing an AI assistant for CAD designers called CADAI Assistant. With the support of our industry partner Schneidmann Maschinenbau, we just finished our first features of the CADAI Assistant, and it has the potential to save 30 to 50% of design costs. And for a mid-sized production plant, this is a cost saving of up to $1 million per year. And there are thousands of plants in this size worldwide. And this assistant will be available on the CADAI platform, where developers can create more features for it and publish them on the marketplace. Now, this whole ecosystem with different players using the model, platform, and assistant to develop new features and apps needs a high security and transparency standard. And therefore, we are building our own blockchain fueled by our native utility token that handles everything from validating AI training data to the whole management of all our platform functions, including rewards for developers. Every time the CADAI model, the CADAI assistant, or any other app on the platform is purchased or used, it will create token flow on the platform, and developers will be rewarded in CADAI tokens. A portion of token, of course, goes back to the platform as a fee. This ecosystem is the first of its kind and the unique blend of AI and blockchain technologies for CAD. And our goal is not only to increase design efficiency across industries, but also to empower designers with AI tools throughout the entire design process. This will allow engineers to focus on more innovative challenges and to do what they love most, being creative. And we're talking about the next evolution in the design process since CAD software was introduced. So you can all become a part of our movement, join our Telegram and Discord channels, and follow us on Twitter. And thank you. And I'm looking forward to your questions.
Let's hear another project on the line. So we got Maria, co-founder of De.cards. And hi, Maria. Thanks for being so patient.
Everyone.
Yeah, you can start right now.
Thank you for being here. So my name is Maria. I am a founder and COO of De.cards. At De.cards, we are building world's first crypto to fiat widget, issuing no-KYC crypto cards. Many crypto platforms have limited revenue streams, and at some point they run out of options of services to implement in their platforms. And then a lot of traditional crypto off-ramps, when people want to exchange their crypto to US dollars or other currencies, they have to disclose their ID, and they lose all the benefits. So for those problems, our solution is our widget that can be implemented into a crypto platform without no cost, effortlessly in 10 minutes, and preserves user privacy because we issue no KYC prepaid cards. As for our market, with just 350,000 users, we will reach $100 million in revenue. And we already have 4 applications from crypto platforms with a total of 4 million users. Our product is a widget for crypto platforms that issues no KYC cards. Those cards have certain limitations and restrictions that allow us to sell them without KYC, know your customer, so no verification. It is the same product as gift cards that you can buy in a grocery store without having to show your ID. So it's the same gift card, but wrapped in a full banking user experience. Those limits are $1,000 per card. The cards are no reloadable. The daily spending limit is $10,000, and you can only use them with US merchants. Our business model is B2B2C, and our revenue comes from interchange fees. Our customer acquisition cost is $6.66, and lifetime user value is $1,440. As I just said, we already had success with cold outreach to crypto platforms founders, and we got 4 applications with 4 million users in total. We also plan to have social media presence and collaborate with influencers, as well as in-person presence on conferences and forums. As for our team, Dennis is our technical CEO. He has 12 years of experience building in Web3 specifically, and he has 2 successful exits from other startups of his. As for me, I'm also a serial founder, and I have experience being a COO with a medtech startup. We also have Roman as advisor. He is a lead software engineer at Meteor's Lab. Our competitors are big guys that exchange crypto to fiat, so on and off ramps. However, they do not have No-KYC cards, and to be partnering with them, a crypto platform would have to be incorporated, which is not necessarily the case with us because we sell gift cards or prepaid Visa cards. For our current achievements, we passed all compliance checks with all the regulators and signed with partners. We launched the MVP. So right now we already have those cards that you can add into Apple Pay, go into a grocery store or any other store and buy a real product with your crypto essentially. And we have those applications from crypto platforms with a total of 4 million users plus. We would like to raise 800,000 with the terms of 20% discount and save, runway 6 months, and our goals with those fundings will be 15,000 users and 360,000 in revenue, and to be licensed in 5 states for the start of our licensing process, because in general we are planning to become a crypto bank. So this widget is just the first product that we want to launch with. Thank you so much. Sorry for all the technical difficulties.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Maria. Please, guys, let's proceed to Q&A section. So yeah, expecting raise hands and questions in the chat below. Yeah, let me be the first one actually to address one question that I've been thinking about. So what is like your marketing strategy and the plans for attracting users and investors to your project?
As for users, we need to partner with already existing crypto platforms, and we have reached to founders of crypto wallets, and 4 of them were eager to implement our widget into their platform, and their wallets have 4 million users in total. So as soon as we implement our widget into their platforms, we will have lots of users. Even with just 5% of their users, we will be able to grow exponentially. As for investors, we are just in the beginning of raising efforts, so we plan to participate in more in-person Zoom calls and cold outreach as well, asking friends for warm intros.
And do you work with KOLs?
KOL?
Opinion leaders.
Yes. We don't do it at the moment, but when we launch, we have a product in the form of a Telegram bot. So we plan to collaborate with influencers in the crypto world and for them to partner with affiliate links. So that's also a strategy for us.
All right, got it. So yeah, guys, address more questions, please. Yeah. People say a good pitch, Maria, and yeah, Malika, maybe you have a question in your mind.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Maria. Great pitch. Absolutely agree. Maybe you can give us more details about these gift cards and from maybe the regulation side, what issues and challenges do you face?
Yes, so we spend a lot of time to validate our idea in terms of if it's even possible legally, and we have inquired the law firm to write us a letter that everything's okay. So it's really the same thing as when you buy a gift card at any store, and I also talked with people from regulators side, and they said it's okay. So it's the same thing as a gift card, but we take crypto instead of money to sell it. It's really it's an interesting idea in that not a lot of companies or businesses have that service, and we plan to make it really streamlined and a good user experience.
Yeah, guys, please, if you have any questions, raise your hand or text here in the chat.
And by the way, do you have plans to expand your market to other regions like Europe, maybe Asia, or is it just US right at the moment, right? Yeah.
With this product, it's US only because only US has such a policy with gift cards.
Yeah, got it.
With Europe, it can be done, but it will be only to 100 euros, so really low limits. But we also have plans to do other products eventually. The second product will be non-custodial cards. So the balance of the card will be on the user's smart contract. So we do not hold their money, unlike other crypto platforms. And whenever user does a purchase, the exact sum of crypto is deducted from the smart contract. So the crypto is exchanged in real time whenever the person taps their card or phone. But that will be a different story, because for that we will have to be licensed, and that we plan to do eventually. But right now, this first product does not require any substantial licensing. We have an MSB license, money transmitter business. For other things, it'd be even more licensed.
Okay, got it. Really an interesting concept, little snippets. Yeah, basically, that's all from my side. Malika, if you have something to add, or guys, please address questions to Maria as well. Otherwise, yeah, we can end. Sorry. Please go ahead and raise hand. IG, the CEO. Yeah.
You're muted.
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't get to my mic here. Yeah, so wonderful project. Congratulations. You were saying something about it being US based only right now because of the limits and things of that nature. And the next iteration, you said you would go and get more licensing. It's just something interesting to me because working on the finance side of things, I'm trying to create, some type of incentive for a lot of people to use the crypto. And I think gift cards is something that works a lot in some of my demographics. So what do you think would be the transition to get those, prepaid cards to work with other brands? What would be the next thing to kind of get to spur some of that next part of the development?
So we are planning to implement our widgets. So it will be like the person who takes our widget into their platform or wallet can put their branding onto our cards. So right now it's in MVP stage, so it's not implemented right now, but later we plan those crypto wallets to have full branding of their own, and so we will be just processing and all the technical side partner.
Awesome. That's great. All right. Well, just keep me in mind. I'll be looking out for that, because I'll be looking to do something, hopefully maybe with NIL, maybe, because I want to, the younger demographic to get involved and understand how to save money and things like that. And I think maybe some of the first rewards, them being able to see that on a medium that they understand, can be kind of cool. So yeah. So maybe we can talk about it.
Okay, yeah, let's keep in touch. We'll see.
Thank you. Yeah, actually, I put here in the chat Maria's Telegram and her email. So yeah, guys, feel free to reach out to her, or you can text us, Ivan or us, Platinum, and we can also connect here with both speakers, with Pedram as well. And yeah, if there are no questions, maybe
I think we can end today's meeting. Thanks, Maria, and also Pedram for an amazing project. So we wish you best of luck, actually. And let's see each other next week. Thanks for participating for this one. It's been a pleasure. And yeah, thanks to all of you guys. See you next. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for being here.
Have a great day. Have a great week.
Thank you again.
And goodbye.
Thank you.